Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add CNAME in Hostinger. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, log into your Hostinger account and navigate to the H panel. Once you've accessed the H panel, if your domain is not tied to hosting, go to the Domains section, then click on Domain Portfolio. Select your domain of interest and click on Manage. Now you have to proceed to DNS or Name Servers option at the left side, followed by DNS records. At this stage, we're diving into adding the CNAME record. Inside the DNS Zone Editor, you'll find an option to Add Record. This is where the setup happens. Choose CNAME from the type options. Now let's fill the fields carefully. In the Name or Host section, enter the subdomain you want, such as www or blog. The next section is the Target field, which is critical. This is where you specify the full domain to which your subdomain should point. For example, connect.hostinger.com. This tells web traffic where to go when users visit your subdomain. For TTL stands for time to live, you can usually leave it at the default setting, which is 400 seconds. Once all fields are complete, click Add Record to save your changes. Keep in mind that DNS changes aren't instantaneous. They need time to propagate across the internet. In some cases, updates happen within minutes, while in others it may take up to 24 hours for the changes to fully apply worldwide. And that's it. So that is how you can add CNAME in Hostinger. So that's all for this video. Thanks.